Hello everyone and welcome to Kiru's online lectures. I am Kirat Jamtani and today's topic is trigonometric functions part 4. See, in part 1 we studied introduction and measurement of angles. In part 2 we studied trigonometric functions. In part 3 we studied the graph of trigonometric functions. Now in this part, in part 4 we are going to study trigonometric ratios of compound angles. Coming on to trigonometric ratios of compound angles, we have certain formulas over here. The formulas are cos A minus B will be written as cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Similarly, cos A plus B will be written as cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Sin A plus B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A minus B will be written as sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Tan A plus B is tan A plus B upon 1 minus tan A tan B, like this. Tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. Tan A minus B will be written as tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B. Using these formulas only we have to solve certain questions. So the question is, we are provided with the value that is sin A is 3 by 5 and cos B is 9 by 41. So we have to find the values of sin A minus B and cos A plus B. So here we are provided with sin A, which is 3 by 5. We know cos A is the square root of 1 minus sin square A. So cos A will get to be, which is 4 by 5. Similarly, sin B will be 1 minus cos square B, which is 1 minus 81 by 1681. Hence, we'll get the values will be 40 by 41. Now the question is, we have to find sin A minus B. So the formula is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So the value of sin A is 3 by 5, cos B is 9 by 41. Cos A 4 by 5, sin B 40 by 41. So on solving it, we will get minus 133 by 205. This is how we have to apply these formulas. Next is cos A plus B. Cos A plus B will be written as cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. The value of cos A is 4 by 5, cos B is 9 by 41. Value of sin A is 3 by 5 and sin B is 40 by 41. So on solving it, we will get minus 84 by 205. So this is how we have to solve the questions, by applying these formulas. Coming on to next, we have to find the value of sin 75 degree and cos 75 degree. So sin 75 degree can be written as sin 45 plus 30 degree, which will be written as sin 45 degree. Sin A plus B, that is sin A cos B, plus cos A sin B. So we will put the values over here. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, sin 30 is 1 by 2. So we will solve it, we will get root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Thus the answer will be root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Next is cos 75 degree. So cos 75 degree will be again written as cos 45 plus 30 degree. So applying formula, cos 45 cos 30 degree minus cos A plus B will be written as cos A cos B minus sin A into sin B. So cos A is 1 by root 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Then again sin 45 1 by root 2, and this is 1 by 2. So we will solve it. Root 3 by 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Thus the answer is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Next question is we have to evaluate, that is we have to find the value of sin 7 pi by 12 cos 7 pi by 4 minus cos 7 pi by 12 into sin pi by 4. Now see, this directly we can apply a formula. This is sin A cos B, cos A sin B. That means A is over here 7 pi by 12 and B is pi by 4. So this can be written as sin A minus B, which is 7 pi by 12 minus pi by 4. So 7 pi by 12 minus pi by 4, when we will solve it, so we will get over here sin 4 pi by 12, which is sin pi by 3. Sin pi by 3 can be written as sin 60 degree. The value of sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. This is how we have to apply these formulas. Coming on to next, tan 15 degree, tan 75 degree. Now tan 15 degree can be written as tan of 45 degree minus 30 degree. So we will apply the formula of tan A minus B. Now here tan A minus B will be written as tan 45 degree minus tan 30 degree upon 1 plus tan 45 into tan 30 degree. So the value of tan 45 degree is 1. The value of tan 30 degree is 1 by 2. Sorry, 1 by root 3. Similarly, 1 plus tan 45 is 1, then 1 plus 1 by root 3. So when we will solve it, we will get over here root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. So this is the value for tan 15 degree. Now when we have to solve tan 75 degree, tan 75 degree will be written as tan of 45 degree plus 30 degree. So this will be written as tan 45 plus tan 30 upon 1 minus tan 45 degree into tan 30 degree. Putting the values 1 plus 1 by root 3, 1 minus 1 by root 3. So we will get root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1. The last question which we have over here is we have to prove tan 3a, tan 2a, tan a is equals to tan 3a minus tan 2a minus tan a. Now see, tan 3a can be written as tan of 2a plus a. So we will apply formula over here, tan 2a plus tan a upon 1 minus tan 2a into tan a. On cross multiplication, we will get tan 3a minus tan 3a tan 2a tan a equals tan 2a plus tan a. Shifting to this side, we will get tan 3a minus tan 2a minus tan a, which is equals to tan 3a tan 2a tan a. So in today's video, we learnt basically what are the trigonometric ratios of the compound angles. We studied certain formulas and then we studied how to apply these formulas in solving our questions. Hope you guys are finding videos helpful. So do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.